Hi everyone, if you're watching this video, it means it's probably end of financial year and we're ready to finalise your single touch payroll, or STP as you might know it. So I'm in a file here and I'm going to step you through the steps that you need to do to actually finalise it. So if we go into payroll, and what we want to go to is the single touch payroll, about halfway down that menu. Now, it's not a difficult process to actually do the finalisation, but what I would recommend you do is click on this button that says prepare your payroll and work your way through each of these steps. STP is one of those things that can be really difficult to undo and redo if you've made an error. So make sure you go and check that we've got the correct ABN, that the employee details are correct, that you've reviewed any opening balances. So if you've changed systems during the year from, say, a QuickBooks or a MyOb into Xero, you'll need to bring those balances over as well. Check your pay items. This should have been done as the step in single touch payroll 2, the stage 2 step, phase 2, sorry. Make sure everything is filed. So you can do that by clicking on pay runs, check your leave, check any SGC and salary sacrifice. Reviewing your reports is a big one, so make sure you're pulling your payroll reports and matching them to what you've got in your Xero file. And Xero also has some additional resources there if you'd like to check those out. I'm just going to cross out of that one. So the first thing I'm going to do for this file is actually make sure that I have got a green filed button against every single one of these pay runs. So if I scroll through here, it should take me through to the full financial year. And we want to make sure that they're all green. If any of them are unfiled or there's an error, you need to go and check those out. So once that is done, what we want to do then is click on this button that says go to finalisation. So in this instance, you'll see that we've got 4 employees here. We will tick them all as being finalised. If you need to show terminated employees there, you can tick that one. And then what we do is we click finalisation. You can export that to a CSV file to check the amounts if you want to, which you should do actually, not if you want to, definitely do that to check those. I'll do that and I'll review that later, and then click on the next button. This is the finalisation summary. So what you want to do is check that we've got all of those details in there, which we do. If you click the little down arrow here, it will show there that you've got all of the employees. And then what you need to do is actually read through the authorization to file and make sure you are an authorized person. Click on the button there and hit submit to ATO. So once that's done, that will all come through as pending. Once they are actually processed, you'll be able to, they will go to green as well. As always, if you've got any questions, please let me know. I hope that helps.